Hi guys, today's video is about how to clean a washing machine. I've got an exciting hack for you. Keep watching. Most people don't bother with anything like this, but if you're anything like me, I'm a bit of a germaphobe. So what I normally do before any other wash that I do, I normally clean inside the drum before I put my next load in. So the last thing we washed were colours, and most people don't know this, but if you wipe inside, there'll be a lot of residue that comes off on the tissue. Let me show you. So I've got my piece of tissue here. Let me show you what I was talking about. The last thing we washed in here were colours. You see that? Don't know if you can see that very well. Little bit of fabric still of the previous wash. So instead of going around wiping it all down, I just wiped it for the purposes to show you what's normally left behind after you do your washes. So what I'd normally do is spray some flash inside. This will help to get rid of the bacteria and any other stuff that might have been left behind that we can't normally see. Just need a few squirts, and then what I'll do is I'll put it on a rinse, and then after the rinse we'll come back and I'll do the tissue wipe again, and you'll see how clean it is. The reason why I'm doing this is because my next load is going to be a whitewash, and I don't particularly want all the residue of the dark colours going into my whites. So what I'm going to do is just put this on for a rinse, and then we'll come back and I'll do the wipe test. We'll see how it's got rid of everything. See you in 18 minutes. And we are back. It's finished now. Cycle's over. Let's have a look. I've got my tissue ready. Let's see what's going on. Just give that a good wipe. And let's see what comes off. Hopefully nothing should come off. Let's give it a good wipe. Get in there. Sides. As you can see, completely no residue, nothing left on the tissue. Tissue is very clean. Your washing machine is clean. If you like this washing machine hack, please like and share, comment and subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you very much.